Hello everyone. This math puzzle looks simple, but it's tricking a lot of people. Now let's take a look. 7 multiplied by 2 gives us 49. 8 multiplied by 3, 72. 9 multiplied by 4, 99. And here is the question for us to solve, which says 10 multiplied by 5 gives us what? The first thing is, let's break down this hidden pattern. Standard multiplication obviously doesn't work here because 7 multiplied by 2 will give us 14. But in this puzzle, 7 multiplied by 2 says it must equal to 49. So we have to find out how the numbers here, how the calculations here will give us the solution here. Now let's find the pattern. The pattern in this puzzle says first number multiplied by, in bracket, 2 times second number plus 3. So here is the pattern for this puzzle. Let's solve the first line, which says 7 multiplied by 2 equals 49. You do this rule. First number says what? 7 multiplied by, in bracket, 2 times second number says what? 2 close bracket plus 3. So 7 times 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3. Now 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 times 7 will give us 49, which is perfect. Now let's solve the second line. The second line says 8 multiplied by 3 equals 72. Using the rule, first number multiplied by 2 times second number plus 3. First number 8 multiplied by second number, which is 3, times 2 plus 3. So we have that 8 times 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 3 will give us 9. So we have 8 times 9, and 8 times 9 will give us 72. Can you see here that we have 72? So this is perfect. Let's solve the third line. 9 multiplied by 4 equals 99. First number 9 multiplied by, in bracket, 2 times second number is what? 4 close bracket plus 3. We have it as what? 9 times, open bracket, 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 3. Now we have 9 times 8 plus 3 will give us 11. So 9 times 11 will give us 99, which is correct. Now let's solve the question before us, which says 10 times 5 equals what? Using the rule above, first number, which is 10, multiplied by, open bracket, 2 times second number 5 close bracket plus 3. 10 times 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 3. Now we have that 10 times 10 plus 3 will give us what? 13. So 13 times 10 will give us 130. This is the answer to the puzzle given us. So 10 times 5 equals 130. Thank you for watching.